OpenAI has unveiled its latest creation, AMECA, the GPT-4 AI robot. Building on the success of its language model predecessor, GPT-3, AMECA represents a significant evolution in the field of robotics. OpenAI has also announced the launch of its first physical robot, NEO, signaling a new era in AI integration with the physical world. Curious? Let's find out what the whole new transformation is like, and get an insight into the future through the launch of NEO, an OpenAI's first robot. AMECA and NEO, the future of human-robot interaction. AMECA, the world's most advanced humanoid robot, has been updated with GPT-3 and GPT-4 innovation. This gives AMECA the ability to produce more exact and coherent discussions, as well as the capacity to memorize and adjust over time. GPT-3 and GPT-4 are large language models, LLMs, that have been prepared on enormous data sets of content and code. This gives them the capacity to create content that's both coherent and relevant to the subject at hand. Within the case of AMECA, the GPT-3 and GPT-4 overhaul has allowed the robot to produce more lifelike and engaging conversations. This can be because the LLMs are able to get the setting of the discussion and react in a way that's both enlightening and interesting. For example, in a later video, AMECA was inquired about its favorite book. The robot was able to supply a nitty-gritty and mindful reply, indeed in spite of the fact that it had never examined the book sometime recently. Usually because the GPT-3 and GPT-4 models were able to get data around the book from the web, and utilize that data to create a reaction. The GPT-3 and GPT-4 update could be a noteworthy step forward for AMECA. It permits the robot to connect with people in a more common way and locks in. This seems to have a number of benefits, such as making AMECA more valuable in client benefit applications, or making a difference to Superior get the desires of its clients. Of course, there are moreover a few potential dangers related with the GPT-3 and GPT-4 overhaul. For example, in the event that AMECA is able to generate text that's as well reasonable, it can be troublesome for people to recognize between the robot and a genuine individual. This may lead to a few moral concerns, such as the potential for robots to be used to spread deception or to control individuals. In general, the GPT-3 and GPT-4 update may be a significant development for AMECA. It has the potential to create the robot more valuable and locks in, but it too raises a few moral concerns. It'll be imperative to screen the improvement of AMECA and other LLM-powered robots to guarantee that they are utilized in a secure and dependable way. In expansion to the upgrade, AMECA has moreover been included in a modern video that presents OpenAI's to begin with robot NEO. NEO could be a littler, more dexterous robot that's outlined for real-world tasks. The video shows NEO interacting with AMECA, and it gives a glimpse into the long haul of human-robot interaction. NEO is still under development, but it has, as of now, been appeared to be able to perform an assortment of assignments, such as picking up objects, opening entryways, and indeed playing bring. The robot is additionally able to connect with people in a characteristic way, such as shaking hands and inquiring questions. Improved customer service. Robots like AMECA and NEO can be utilized to supply client service in a more productive and viable way. They may be programmed to reply questions, resolve issues, and indeed give passionate support. Enhanced healthcare. Robots like AMECA and NEO might be utilized to supply healthcare in a more personalized and reasonable way. They might be utilized to perform errands such as taking crucial signs, regulating medicine, and giving physical therapy. Increased productivity. Robots like AMECA and NEO might be utilized to perform assignments that are unsafe, monotonous, or dreary. This might free up people to center on more inventive and vital work. Improved safety. Robots like AMECA and NEO may well be utilized to perform errands in perilous situations, such as in industrial facilities or on development locales. This might offer assistance to avoid wounds and fatalities. The development of NEO may be a noteworthy step forward within the field of artificial intelligence. It appears that robots are becoming more competent in association with the world around them in a normal and significant way. AMECA and NEO raise some ethical concerns, such as how they will be used and how we will prevent them from becoming too powerful. Of course, the improvement of these robots moreover raises a few moral concerns. For example, how will we guarantee that these robots are utilized morally? And how will we anticipate them from getting to be as effective? These are questions that we will need to reply to as we proceed to create counterfeit insights. These are some ethical concerns that have been raised about AMECA and NEO. Emotional manipulation. These robots are so exact that they may be used to control people's feelings. For illustration, they might be utilized to spread deception or to form fear and freeze. Loss of jobs. As robots ended up more advanced, they could supplant people in numerous occupations. This might lead to far-reaching unemployment and social unrest. Discrimination. These robots might be utilized to separate against certain bunches of individuals. For case, they may well be utilized to deny administrations to individuals of color or to individuals with disabilities. Loss of humanity. A few individuals stress that the improvement of AMECA and NEO will lead to the misfortune of humankind. They contend that these robots might end up so modern that they will inevitably outperform people in insights and capacity. This might lead to a world where people are not the prevailing species. Meanwhile, AMECA and NEO are a sea into the long term of human-robot interaction. These robots are not just machines, they are potential companions. As we learn to associate with them, we ought to choose how we need to characterize our relationship with them. These robots are so similar that it is simple to suppose them to become our companions, friends, or even lovers. In any case, it is critical to keep in mind that they are not human. They don't have the same feelings, needs, or desires as we do. We have to be careful not to anthropomorphize these robots. We ought to not treat them as on the off chance that they were human, since they are not. We got to create a better approach of connection with these robots that regards their impediments and potential. One way to do this is often to think of robots as devices. They are devices that can be utilized to assist us in an assortment of ways. For illustration, they can be utilized to supply client benefit, to perform unsafe or dull assignments, or to supply companionship. Another way to think of robots is as accomplices. They can be our accomplices in work, in play, and in learning. They can offer assistance to us to be more profitable, to have more fun, and to memorize modern things. The way we characterize our relationship with robots will have a significant effect on long-standing humankind. We got to watch out and mindful approximately how we connected with these machines, so that we were able to guarantee that they are used in a safe and useful way. The introduction of AMECA and NEO marks a significant milestone in AI and robotics, showcasing OpenAI's commitment to advancing the frontiers of artificial intelligence responsibly. With its multimodal capabilities, AMECA represents a giant leap forward in natural language understanding and human-robot interactions. NEO, OpenAI's first physical robot, opens up new possibilities for human-robot collaboration in various industries. As AI continues to evolve, ethical considerations and responsible integration are of utmost importance. OpenAI's dedication to creating AI systems that are safe, empathetic, and beneficial to humanity ensures that AMECA and NEO are designed to enhance human potential and make a positive impact on society. With AMECA and NEO leading the way, we embark on a transformative journey where AI and robotics empower and enrich human lives like never before. If you're as captivated by the possibilities as we are, don't forget to hit that like button to show your appreciation for the cutting-edge advancements we've uncovered. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts and insights. We're eager to hear your take on this remarkable journey. Sharing is caring, so make sure to spread the word about AMECA's evolution and the NEO platform with your friends, colleagues, and fellow enthusiasts. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future explorations of innovation and technology. Stay tuned, because the future holds even more astonishing revelations and groundbreaking discoveries. Join us again for our next video, where we'll dive headfirst into another exciting chapter of progress and innovation. Until then, keep exploring, keep imagining, and remember, the possibilities are limitless. Goodbye for now.